Okay, so maybe you saw the build blog. Making a 4-engine plane out of a broken drone and a £5 Lidl glider. The question is really, did it fly? Well, you're about to find out.
Well, it flies. Flies around in circles. I'm going to lose that. Okay, it flies. Half throttle, it will actually turn. What about that? Wow, how about that? It flew. Took a bit of working out how much power, but around half or a third throttle I could get it to fly level. First off, the differential steering didn't seem to be working, but after that it worked okay. I'm going to try it again. Don't want too much throttle. Too much throttle and it climbs too much. How about that? Who'd have thought? Needs very precise throttle control. What about that then? My little mini airliner actually works. Amazing. Got to be very precise with the throttle. Right, now I know exactly where that's gone. Wow, I'm dead chuffed with that. That flew 10 times better than I thought it would. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, why not give it a like maybe down there, and even hit subscribe and check out some of my other vids. Safe flying, I'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now.